In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom hotkeys in Sharex, an incredibly versatile tool for capturing and recording your screen. If you're ready to maximize your productivity and streamline your workflow, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open the Sharex application on your computer. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, especially the left window where you'll find the settings options. Once you're ready, navigate over to the hotkey settings. This is where all the magic happens. Inside the hotkey settings window, your focus will be on a very important button, the Add, or sometimes labeled New Hotkey. This is what you'll click to create a shiny new key binding, essentially a command you can activate with just a few keystrokes. Simple, right? Now, once you've clicked that, you'll see a row appear for your new hotkey. Let's start customizing. Give your hotkey a clear description, something that tells you at a glance what this hotkey is supposed to do, such as capture region and upload. This will come in handy later if you decide to add multiple hotkeys. Next, it's time to define the hotkey itself. Click on the cell labeled None or an existing key combo, and then press the key combination you'd like to use. A good example might be Ctrl plus print screen. Remember, this should be a combo that feels intuitive and is easy for you to use. With the hotkey in place, identify what task this keystroke will execute. Will it capture a specific screen region? Or perhaps start or stop a screen recording? Under the Task section, select the action that fits your needs best. For those who want to go the extra mile, there's an optional configuration step. You'll notice a small cogwheel, or Task Settings, next to your hotkey. Clicking it opens a menu for further customization. Here, you can enable the Override After Capture Settings option. This allows your hotkey to operate using custom settings rather than the default ones. Very useful for tasks that require a bit of tweaking, such as setting a screenshot delay or modifying upload and destination settings. With everything configured to your liking, hit OK or Save, depending on which version of Sharex you're using, to lock in those hotkey settings. Now comes the moment of truth, testing your new hotkey. Press the key combination you set, and watch to see that Sharex performs the action as expected, whether it's capturing a region, recording a window, or directly uploading your capture. If for some reason the hotkey doesn't work as planned, fear not. Conflicts can sometimes occur. Ensure that no other application is using the same key combo. On Windows, be aware that system shortcuts, like Win plus print screen, used by the snipping tool, might interfere or need to be disabled. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a custom hotkey in Sharex to make your capturing tasks faster and more efficient.